Hello guys! Today I'm gonna be showing you how to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. So let's hop into our application. Now we wanna go to our profile. The next thing we wanna do, we wanna click on these three lines in the top right. Now we're gonna go to settings. So third here is privacy, we're gonna choose that. And down, almost at the very bottom, we're gonna click on messages. So now you have few options here. It says potential connections. Your followers on Instagram, it says don't receive. So this applies for people that follow you on Instagram, but you don't follow them back. We're gonna click there. Now deliver requests to message requests. So we're gonna click there. It's updating, now it's okay. The next thing we wanna do, others on Instagram, that applies for the other people that don't follow you, you don't follow them. So we're gonna click on don't receive again. We're gonna change it to message requests. It's updating, now it's fine. Go back. Now, if you have Facebook account, you can also allow people from Facebook to message you. So we're gonna click there also. We're gonna switch don't receive requests to message requests again. Updating. Now it's fine. Now you're allowing everyone to send you message requests. So I'm gonna show you where those messages are. We're gonna tap on the home. Now we're gonna go to messages. Now on the right we have requests. So I'm gonna click there. And here's the place where all your message requests gonna be shown. So that's it for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.